The George Washington Hotel was built in 1924 by the American Hotel Corporation. Initially, it had 102 rooms and 45 baths, but in 1929, an additional wing was added, making it a C-shaped structure with 50 more guest rooms.
Remember that? Looks like they got one of those old vaults here.
This hotel has been the headquarters of the Shenandoah Apple Blossom Festival and has hosted numerous notable guests, including Lucille Ball, Jack Dempsey, and even Colonel Harlan Sanders, the founder of KFC. Legend has it that during a stay in the early 1950s, Colonel Sanders hinted at his secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices to a night auditor at the hotel. Imagine learning a culinary secret in a haunted hotel.
We can get this postcard and send it down the chute. It's an expensive postcard though. Look at this giant haunted mirror. It's gotta be haunted, right?
The hotel closed in 1978 and operated as a retirement home, the George Washington Home of Adults, until 1993. After that, it remained vacant for 11 years until it was purchased and restored in 2004. It finally reopened in April 2008 and was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 2010. Today, it boasts 90 guest rooms, an indoor pool and a hot tub, a fitness room, and a restaurant.
Hey guys, Spooky Cat Lady, and we're doing another ghost hunt. But first, let's check out the room. This time we're staying at the George Washington Hotel in Winchester, Virginia, which is said to be haunted. And I'll go over a little bit of the haunting stuff later. Right now, we'll check out the room and see if it's cool. We're in room 208, second floor. There's Spooky. This is what you see when you first walk in. Mirror. I assume this is a closet. Yep, nice spacious closet. I don't know what this door is for, because it has no doorknob. You gotta have a key. And you got this nice desk that my darling is waiting at. Got ice bucket, water, microwave, refrigerator, coffee. That's the kind of coffee you can look forward to. They have room service here. Not a whole lot of places have room service anymore. And here's a pizza place. I think that's inside of here.
You can get room service.
That's what I said. Small TV. Ooh, hit my leg. Small TV. But not bad. Got all these drawers. I just live out of my suitcase. I don't like the idea of putting my stuff in strange drawers that a ton of other people have used. Leather chair. Really high up bed. This bed is higher than my butt. So I'm gonna actually have to jump up on top of it to get on it. My husband said he heard that it is comfortable. Hopefully it's true. We got the side beds here. Not seeing a lot of outlets or
One right here.
fancy USB stuff or anything. So there's one there hiding. For tech people, might not like this room. You can make it work maybe. Here is the bathroom. It's nice. We got some amenities, lotion, conditioner, shampoo. This hotel is part of Wyndham, which I'm kind of surprised about. Seems a little too nice for Wyndham, but here we are. We got a shower, no tub. For those of you who like tubs, there's no tub. I don't know if all the rooms are like that, but that's how this room is. And we're on the second floor. Here's our view of Winchester. Maybe there was something there once. It's gone now. Just a vacant lot. But the room seems nice so far. We'll see after we like take a shower, use everything, see what that's like. And of course, hopefully it's haunted. Look at this. I don't think I've ever seen this before. They stamped the toilet paper. Cool.
We left the George Washington and walked over to a restaurant called Piccadilly's Public House. It was a very interesting place and the food was pretty good. They had good drinks as well. I recommend it if you're staying at the Washington.
The wings look pretty meaty. Hopefully the sauce is good too. Here's my crab cake. I'm trying to keep the lighting good. Zach got a steak. It's hiding back there. Beautiful sunrise over the vacant lot. It is a nice place to stay. We took a shower. Nice pressure. Nice hot water. Shower works great. No weird squealing noises or anything like that. So, and you know what? It's a nice place to stay if you want to stay somewhere that isn't all, you know, franchisey. It's really cool and historic looking and old-fashioned looking. So it's definitely a change of pace. So if you are in this area for some reason, definitely consider the George Washington Hotel in Winchester, Virginia. Granted, it's not conveniently located off of an exit, but it's worth it. And there's lots of cool restaurants around. We're going to go to 2, Piccadilly and Union Jack. So I will be getting pictures of that food. It would have been fun to take advantage of room service, but where we're going, the Union Jack, is also really cool, so maybe next time if we come back to double check our findings about the ghosts. You can get room service pizza too. The lunch and dinner room service is huge, especially if you like Italian. We'll have to come back sometime. One thing about this room is the bed is super high off the ground, but this thing here is exactly knee height, so be careful. I whacked my knee pretty hard on it. It sucked. Well, we changed our mind and did decide to get room service, breakfast in bed. It's weird that it came in a bag, but you know, not a horrible thing. The kitties will love the bag. So there's our breakfast. Convenient for eating it in bed. Ta-da! All right, looks good. Let's go. Creepy, loud elevator. Handprint. The elevator sounds like it's dying. They do have ramps for people who need them, so you don't have to worry about that. And of course, elevators, creepy elevators, but they got them. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe. More videos are coming. Soon we're going to have a paranormal fiasco. We'll be going to the Conjuring House, the Omni Parker in Boston, and also the Hawthorne Hotel in Salem. So lots of cool spooky videos coming up soon. See you later. Bye.